using 30 volts, 1200,
Oh, you see sparks,
1000
Daddy.
volts.
Daddy, watch.
So this is in 1000 volt increments.
Solid state.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It's a lot smaller, a lot easier.
1898.
Daddy, look down here. There's sparks.
Oh, this is how you spin up the freaking voltage, I bet.
Daddy, look.
Huh?
And now it's just a big electric grid across the road.
And they work in shipyards and they used to work on the ferries too, so you know the water on the road.
Bottom to control the electrical field inside of it. They're made about 1898. That switch. Next to you.
Yeah, marble.
Marble. It's a good insulator.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't want to get shocked by the machines you're working on.